In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make your TCL Google TV default to your HDMI input. So the first thing we need to do is to just go into the settings here, as you can see on our TCL TV, and then on settings scroll down and click on system. And now what you need to do in here on system is very easy. Just scroll down and click on power and energy, and then just click on power on behavior here. And then you need to set this one to last used input. So set it right here. And now what you need to do is very simple. On your remote here, just click on this button right here. You can see this button right here. And then you need to switch it to HDMI 1 here, as you can see. So now what will happen if I turn my TV off here, and then I have to turn it back on, of course. Hopefully it's going to turn on fast, because my TV is a little bit slow, not gonna lie. So I'm just going to try to turn it on here. And you can see it's actually turns on to HDMI 1 here per default. And basically that is exactly how to actually do this.